Hello, today I wanted to show you the Thieves cleaning kit, and one of the best things it comes with is this stainless steel bucket. Now I actually have bought two of these kits. It's a really great deal, and so one of them I do use to mop with. This one I put under my sink and I hold extra dish cleaner and the Thieves kitchen scrub, and then my bottle of Thieves cleaner. So I just use it to hold the few things that I use. And so it comes with the bucket, and then it also comes with a nice microfiber cloth. It comes with a bottle of household cleaner, and then it also comes with a glass bottle, and then it comes with this cute carrying case. It comes with a recipe book, and then it comes with, I think, 4 oils. Let's see, actually 5 oils. So it comes with lemon, purification, pine, Thieves, and it also comes with citrus fresh. So it comes with 5 oils. So it's a great kit to get you started for spring cleaning, or just to replace kind of your old cleaners and things. So what I wanted to show you today, again, it comes with the Thieves glass bottle. And so for this one, you would just use 1 cap full of the Thieves household cleaner, and then fill the rest up with water. Now, sometimes if I'm just doing windows, then I only use a half a cup. Now, on the back of the household cleaner, it does give you mixing instructions if you need just a regular cleaner or a degreaser or windows, things like that, of how much to use. Now, one of the other things I use for like bathrooms and other rooms, I get one of these spray bottles. They're at Walmart, Kroger, Dollar Tree. And then you can print off a nice label if you want. But for this size bottle, let's see how many ounces. 32 ounces. I actually use 2 capfuls for that. So it's real easy. Again, 2 capfuls, just fill it up with water. You can add, the lemon oil if you want, purification, pine. I like to change it up depending on the seasons. If it's, fall, I put in like clove and nutmeg, things like that. There's other essential oils for Christmas and spring cleaning. And if you just want pine, that's good around Christmas time. Here in the summertime, you can add, some florals, and really choose any scent that you want, again, for your cleaner. So I hope that has helped you. And like I say, I want to encourage you to get the cleaning kit. I don't think cleaning's fun, but this helps it make it a little bit more funner to do. So have a great day.